Alright guys, this is part 2 of replacing the AC system. So, in the last video I took the condenser out. Obviously, I got the new one in. And it was brought to my attention that I didn't really give you detail, but there's, right here is your radiator bolt, and then a little ways in, right here, you got one here, and one over there. Those are your condenser upper bolts, and these are 10 millimeter, and then obviously you would get ready to flush your lines before you hook them up, but we're not doing that, so I'm not going to bother with that. But what we are going to do is replace this guy. So I disconnected this hose, kind of push it out of my way a little bit, but we're going to have to get to this tensioner to take the belt off to get the compressor out. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, let's get the compressor off. 16 millimeter down here on the tensioner, and oh, that one's kind of a pain in the butt. Let's get it enough to where you can slide the belt off on the back so it doesn't feature. There's a flat blade screwdriver, and you got to undo the clip for the compressor wire. Disconnect that. Set the way, and then you got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are your mounting bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those. I mean, you probably could disconnect the line, but I'm gonna do that in a minute. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That one's kind of stuck in there. Okay, now we're going to take this bolt out of the back that holds the line to the compressor. I'm going to figure out what size it is. 12 millimeter. Don't know. I'll see if I get it broke free with just a ratchet. In my case, everything's rusted. There we go. Pop free. There we go. There's the mounting. Pull it out. And there's our compressor.